Hi cookie friends, hang out with me and Hank after this cookie decorating and talk all things My Little Pony. So I started with a heart-shaped cutter. I had a projector that I outlined the shape of a rainbow dash, outlined that with my edible ink markers, and came back and I traced it with my glaze icing. I let this dry completely for 24 hours, and that's when I came in and I started to color in the eyes with my edible ink marker. Projector is a great tool if you're not 100% confident on freehanding. Really simple, I just came in with my other colors, perfect icing consistency. I colored in the main, I let it dry in between color sets so there was no icing bleed. I had some royal icing flowers that I made beforehand. I stuck them on for a little bit of decoration, and we've got an awesome rainbow.
Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. My name is Larissa, and this is my friend. I hope you enjoyed watching how Rainbow Dash was made. So if you haven't guessed by now, this is a My Little Pony episode.
Yes!
So we're gonna get into some fuzz facts. We're gonna talk about some My Little Pony. And you know what's interesting is when I was little, I think I had one My Little Pony and that was it. I was not a My Little Pony fan.
Just one?
I was definitely a Barbie girl.
Oh.
Okay, so I want to show you some of the other cookies that we made for My Little Pony. We made Pip Petals from Generation 5, Sunny Star Scout from Generation 5,
Whoa!
Zip Storm from, you guessed it, Generation 5.
I'm sensing a theme.
And Rainbow Dash was the only one that we did from Gen 4, which is probably one of the more popular ones, I'm thinking. Those are the ones that we did, and then we also made, as a little title cookie, a
Look at
My Little Pony cookie. Now let's get right into some Fuzz Facts from My Little Pony. All right, here we go.
Number
Fuzz
one!
fact number 1. Here we go. So My Little Pony was Hasbro's answer to the famous Barbie.
Yes!
Because Barbie was doing really great and Hasbro's like, darn it, we need some girl toys up
Barbie
in here.
was a powerhouse!
In 1981, they debuted My Pretty Pony, which, okay, cool, My Pretty Pony. It was like a 10-inch tall pony, super hard plastic, but you could style its hair, so that's cool. I
It was
think
gigantic.
its eyes also winked, and its tail swished. So
Apparently it was really heavy.
yeah, so like cool. That was a good first step. Fuzz fact number
2!
Fuzz fact number 2.
G2!
So what happened was the vice president of marketing was like, I don't really know about this pony thing. So he brings it home to his wife, and his wife was like, I don't really know about this pony thing. I feel like it should be smaller and cuter and cuddlier.
Yes,
and
cuddly was the big
nice,
thing.
like brushable hair, because what girl wants to carry around a big 10-inch pony?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Bulky.
So that is exactly what they did. And they made the first 6 original My Little Ponies.
Yes!
So let's get into what they look like. First, we have Butterscotch. Butterscotch, who has like
Butterflies!
little butterflies
Yes!
on her bum. Rump design.
Rump design.
So that's what they called it on their
Tramp stamp! No.
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 Hank.
Sorry.
Okay, we got Bluebell, who had little blue stars on her rump. And then we had
that's my favorite.
Minty, who looks like a shamrock shake right now.
Yeah!
Blossom.
Blossom.
Very pretty. We've got Cotton Candy, Snuzzle with hearts. So at a first glance, I'm just gonna say the one I would want is Cotton Candy. I think she looks great. I also love the color pink. So those were the first original 6. And really quick thing here, they sold for $2.99 each.
What?
And in the first year of them being My Little Pony, they made $80 million.
What?
Okay, $2.99 each, $80 million is, quick, do some mental math.
I don't know. That's like 80s money.
80, what's million?
A million more zeros. There you go.
That's 8 million. That's
There you go.
80 million divided by 2.99
Go.
is, so they would have had to have sold,
Holy crap.
what is that number? 26 million?
I don't know. I'm here to talk. Not to do math.
Oh my god, that's a lot of
That's a lot of ponies.
All right, so that's what happened. And then also what was going on is like all these little girls were like, oh my gosh, the little rump designs, like
You gotta collect
I want
them.
to collect them and I want to get all of them. So they really did a good job. And it was
the original gotta collect them all.
yes, fun fact number
3.
in 1984. Guess who hit the small screen?
I'm gonna say My Little Pony.
My Little Pony. You were absolutely
Yes!
correct. My Little Pony comes barreling on in to the small screen, done by the creators of the Transformers
Oh!
and
Like Marvel co-creators.
Rescue at Midnight Castle.
Oh, that was kind of
I
scary.
don't know that one, but like think
There
about
were
that.
some, you could see clips on YouTube. That was a scary pony video.
So those guys are the ones that
Ponies in
did
turmoil.
My Little Pony for TV.
That was terrifying.
So then
Dragons and monsters and these poor little ponies.
so like it was okay. But so then in 1983 to 1992,
They need to make it a little cuter.
right, and they were like,
Little
wait
friendlier.
a second. They were like, we just have like these random ponies just doing random things. We got to give them some personality, some like storyline.
Yeah, even some magical powers.
So then what happened is they're now trying to they're making more toys, right? They're making more pony
Yes.
designs.
80s
then
and 90s toys was all about
Yes.
get the toy
And then
and then you have the show.
creating new characters on their
Yes.
shows. Now, listen, if you want to get all the Fuzz Facts on My Little Pony, go head over to Netflix and watch The Toys That Made Us. And there is a great episode
Yes.
of My Little Pony. And
Yeah, that's what we
you can
watched.
just get all of that information there. So a lot of these Fuzz Facts came from that show.
And our friends at Mental Floss.
And our friends.
We love Mental Floss.
So definitely go and check that out on Netflix. But you guys, like you're a My Little Pony fan.
Oh
here.
yeah.
Just gotta say,
Oh my god,
what-
all the time.
You go to, yeah, you dress up like
Yes.
a pony?
Me, a bunch of my friends, we all go. Got ears, tails, we switch around.
So what do y'all call yourselves?
Just guys. We're like a My Little Pony. Except we're dudes.
Well, you know, Hank, that's like a thing. That's
I know, we go every year.
Hank, listen to me. What I'm trying to say is you're part of a big thing.
Yeah, I know.
Hank, you're a brony.
What?
You're a brony. Hank, so you're telling me you like Gen 4, right? Gen 4, that's the one
Yeah,
that-
Friendship is Magic.
Yes,
That
from
was our
2010.
show. We eat around, we talk about that for weekends.
Hank, you're a freaking brony.
I have no idea what you're
That's
talking
what they're
about.
called.
I'm not a brony, but I love My Little Pony.
But Hank, you are.
It's so great,
so,
it
like,
reminds me of the old days.
yes, that's what I'm saying. So brony culture came about by these guys who were like, hey, wait a second, My Little Pony isn't just for like little girls or girls
not.
or whoever. My Little
It's for
Pony
guys like me.
is for all of us. Some of the bronies, like the main thing was that like,
The
oh my
main
gosh.
thing.
The main thing was like, wait a second, our Friendship is Magic reminds me of like why I like cartoons.
Oh, it was so like Powerpuff Girls or any of those that we
Yes,
saw.
yes.
We love it.
But you guys, I hope that you loved watching how we made these My Little Pony cookies. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today and learning so much about My Little Pony. And let me know what your favorite generation pony is and what your favorite pony is. I mean, is it Rainbow Dash? Is it Applejack? Is it Rarity? Fluttershy? Pinkie Pie? Twilight Sparkle?
Twilight Sparkle.
Who is it? Let me know. Guys, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for sticking around and watching with us. Follow us on TikTok for
Yes.
some very fun content. Follow us on Instagram
Instagram.
for even
Come
funner
see me on
content.
Instagram.
And if you liked this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the
Ding.
for notifications, and we will see you next time, cookie friends.
Next time.
Bye. I like Applejack. You look fabulous. I'm gonna call you Hanky Pie.
Get a little swish. Oh, Hanky Pie! I was a sock that became a puppet! I have no idea what that means! Oh, I love it! Look at this swish! Yes! Time for some food!
We just ordered lo mein and rice. We gotta
Yes!
pick that up. Hank, anyone could look at this and be like,
Hey, look! That is terrible!
say yes.
Sass.
The say yes. Alright, let's go get some Chinese food. Bye.
Bye, no!